Guys, that there is a wonderful and amazing hidden paradise located just a few hours away from my place here in the Philippines. So come and join me guys as I explore the Blue Waterfall and Cave, the Lipit River located at Baggao, Cagayan. There are two ways to go to Baggao if you're coming from Manila. Number one is you have to ride Florida bus and it will take you around 12 hours to get the ride the plane. Reached here at Barangay Palyagaw and it took us 4 hours to reach this destination. Now, we're going to take rest for a while and eat our lunch. So in this place, we're going to pay our tourist fee, amounting how much? 30 pesos. And how much for the tour guide? There's a tourist fee which is 30 pesos and a tour guide fee 500 pesos. And also if you want to rent a vest, additional 100 pesos. Let the journey begin! The Blue Waterfalls and Cave is located at the town of Baggao. This place has to be the most unbelievable in a way that we've never imagined such a magnificent beauty of nature exists. I was not surprised though how it has kept its role and beauty as it is within one of the most hidden places. Hence, not much tourists visit this area. The name speaks for itself. Blue Waterfalls and Cave, most commonly known as Blue Water by many people, has literally blue crystal-like waters. The place is hidden in the innermost part of Baggao, wherein you need to trek for about 2 hours just to get here. The effort is very worth it because you will be surprised with the rare beauty of the nature. You can witness the blue waters cascading down on several falls in the lagoon. If you really need a place for relaxation, this is the perfect place for you to relax. Guys, just a friendly reminder, if you're planning to visit this place, wear a durable slipper, especially that covers your 2 fingernail, because the place is too slippery that could damage your 2 fingernail. This is what we call hidden paradise. You can see at my back the Blue Waterfalls Cave. Let's explore inside. What you can see inside the cave. The cave is so dark inside. We don't have flashlight to go inside, so we cannot come inside. But believe me guys, come visit this place. You will not regret. So relaxing, so awesome, so beautiful.